Welcome to SATOS Shift module. To first get started, open your browser. In the address field, type the name of the company you work for, .satos.no, and press Enter. You will then come to the front page of SATOS. To enter the Shift module, click on Shift. Under the Shift Log tab, you will be able to see all new Shift events that belong to the group you are part of. If you are part of more than one group, then you can filter between them here. By clicking the Handover tab, you will see all Shift events that has been marked as handover. These should be included during the Shift handover meetings. If you go to the Out of Service tab, you will see Shift events that explain why equipment has been taken out of service. If you go to the Search tab, you will be able to find and search all Shift events. The Search tab functions as an archive. All registered events for all the groups you are a member of can be found here. You can sort by a specific group. Search for specific events based on name, word, or equipment tag. You can also sort by date or type of event. To create a new Shift event, press Register Shift Event. Select your Shift from the menu. Choose what system the event applies to, followed by the corresponding group. Add a description. Feel free to attach one or more equipment tags when this is relevant. Decide whether the event is to be included in the handover meeting or not, and if the event concerns equipment that has been taken out of service. In this case, we tick both. Press Save. You will now see that the event is at the top of the Shift log. If you want to provide additional information, click on the event, add a comment, and click Save. Everyone in the same group may add comments to Shift events. You can also edit your Shift event from here. After the Shift handover meeting, you can save and clear the Shift log. The front page will then reset and become empty. The Shift module are now ready to be used by your Shift. You will still be able to find old Shift events by entering the Search tab. This was the Shift module in SATOS.